Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be making green beans, and this is a real easy recipe, and it's a real nice recipe for people that doesn't like eating meat. I'm gonna start with the green beans. I have 1 pound and a half, one medium onion, I have a cup of water, and I have shredded cheese over here, two tomatoes, two serrano peppers, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and two garlics, and a bunch of cilantro. And I have salt and pepper, and that's on your taste, okay? And I have the red pepper crunch that I'm gonna be using. I probably use 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna start by frying the onion first, and the oil is already hot. So we're gonna put the onion here, and we're gonna let it cook. Time for the tomatoes. It's cooking in here. Now we're gonna put the garlic. Right there. And I put it on the spoon so it can be easy for me to get it with one hand. Okay, and I'm leaving the cilantro and the serrano peppers and the oregano for later. And now I'm gonna put the green beans, okay? And we're mixing everything together. Okay, so here I'm gonna be putting the pepper and the salt. And mix everything. And here I'm gonna be putting the water, okay? So now it's time to put the water here. And keep on mixing. So now we'll put the cover. They look like this. Let's cover again. Okay, time to check. And you see all the water start to dry out. So now it's time to put the other ingredients. So I'm gonna put the cilantro. And mix it in there. And the oregano. And at this time you taste them for salt, and if it needs more salt you can put more. So I'm gonna try one. It needs more salt. I'm gonna put another teaspoon of salt, but salt is on your taste, okay? And mix it. And now I'm gonna put the serrano peppers, And I leave it all the way until the end. So the serrano peppers can cook a little bit, okay? And I use olive oil to cook these green beans, but you can use any other oil you prefer. Now it's time for the red pepper, right there, and mix it. We just leave it for 3 minutes more and we turn it off. And these green beans are real good with a fresh made tortilla. If anybody knows how to make tortillas. The green beans look like this now, so now we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna serve a plate. And they look real good. I already served a plate and this is where we put the cheese. And you can put as much cheese as you want. Here's the plate already served and it's easy to do and real fast. For people that doesn't like to eat meat, this is a real good plate. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.